Welcome to our tutorial on fill options in Excel. Excel offers several powerful fill options that allow you to quickly populate data in different directions: down, right, up, and left. Let's dive in and explore these methods, including some handy shortcuts. Fill options in Excel are incredibly useful for copying data, formulas, and formatting across multiple cells. These options can save you time and ensure consistency in your spreadsheets. First, let's look at fill down, which is commonly used to copy data or formulas down a column. Suppose you have the number 1 in cell A1 and you want to fill it down to cell A5. To do that, select cell A1, drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell A1 down to cell A5. Excel will fill the cells with the number 1. You can do the same by selecting the cell range from A1 to A5. Go to the Home tab, click on Fill and select Down. Next, let's explore Fill Right, which allows you to copy data across a row. Suppose you have the text Jan in cell B1 and want to fill right to cell E1. Select cell B1. Drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell B1 to cell E1. Excel will fill the cells with Jan. You can do the same by selecting the cell range from B1 to E5. Go to the Home tab, click on Fill and select Right. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+R. Select the range B1 to E1 and press Ctrl+R to fill right. Now let's look at fill up, which is useful for copying data upwards in a column. Suppose you have the number 100 in cell F5 and want to fill up to cell F1. Select cell F5. Drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell F5 up to cell F1. Excel will fill the cells with the number 100. There isn't a specific shortcut for fill up, but you can still use the ribbon. Select the range F5, go to the Home tab, click on Fill, and select Up. Lastly, let's explore Fill Left, which is used to copy data across a row to the left. Suppose you have the text End in cell K1 and want to fill left to cell G1, select cell K1. Drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell K1 to cell G1. Excel will fill the cells with End. There isn't a specific shortcut for fill left also, but you can still use the ribbon. Select the range K1 to G1, go to the Home tab, click on Fill and select Left. Excel's fill options make it easy to quickly populate data across your worksheet. Whether you're filling down, right, up or left, these methods save time and ensure consistency. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.